Tuli live Makerere Kavule. Akawungezi ku lwaleero abakulu mu kibiina babadde basisinkanyeemu okubaako ensonga ze bongera okugaayagaayamu okwongera okukwasisa amateeka agafuga ekibiina ki National Unity Platform nga boogera ku buli bw'enguzi obukudde ejjembe mu ggwanga Uganda. Bagamba nti bo tebalina kukkiriza buli bwanguzi mu kibiina kyabwe era His Excellency Kyagulanyi Robert Ssentamu avuddewo ng'abagambye lwatu bw'awulira nga togenda kukkiriza amateeka ga kibiina kiba beta n'ofuluma ekibiina ng'obudde bukyali n'otalinda kukuswaza mu bantu kubanga abali b'enguzi basobola okugamba mu kyama nti lekulira ekifo ky'olimu nga tebinnaba kwonooneka. Bw'okkiriza kiyinza okukutaasa. Bangi abakola emputtu bawunzika baswadde nga ne gye buli eno mwami Mpuuga yakyali mu mawulire lwakuwaganyala kulaga nti ye tagambwako. Kyagulanyi Ssentamu bw'adda amagezi nti olina okugoberera amateeka g'ekibiina oba si kyekyo n'olekulira ng'obudde bukyali. Tubadde ne H.E Settuba omusomi w'edduwa pulogulaamu yaffe eno. H.E Settuba asomedde abantu bangi edduwa era ne zikyusa obulamu bwabwe. Naawe awulira nga wandyetaaze H.E Settuba okusomera ku dduwa naawe olabike ng'okyusa obulamu bwo. Oli mwangu nnyo osobola okumufuna ku ssimu ye 0703 31 39 25. Mukubireko agenda kusomera edduwa egenda okukyusa obulamu bwo naawe weeyagaleko ng'abalala.
Egenzeko. Nene eganye ere.
Kale NBS emaze bekyalo oyingidde munda kale nga bagamba ki ano eriwedde bali mufulumu bakwatira mu vidiyo nga mukola ebyekirungi
Ate mu vidiyo yo.
Kisi recording nga wajja kirona ne
Ana mmoja sana. Haji mfesiga na kwa wewe. Jana bagamba wa. Muna kwa yale moto. Oyo muna kwa kitu kiriya. Ate kirire kumusango. Ate gwe tugala olugina tu oyina amaanyi. Kola mpola banna. Logo musango mpamunene.
Briefing these people about the upcoming events, the upcoming activities. So it was what I can say any other meeting that we have as a party. Usually.
How confidential were the issues of debate because of the deliberations? Because some few members were talked to say even their phones have to be taken away.
Have you been to our meetings before? Every meeting that we have, all through actually, we don't have phones in our meetings. We've never had any single meeting with phones.
The other thing, when Ibopuka's issue came up, how did you go about it?
No, that one I'm not at liberty to. But like I said, the president was briefing the members of parliament about the different issues within the party. This is a routine meeting. We meet with our members of parliament every once in a while, as you know. So this was not any different meeting from the ones we normally have. And like I said, I saw some media station saying that she saw 35 members were here, and the 60, I told you already 17 were absent with apology. They called in, some are out of the country, others had different, maybe up country, even others are in Dokolo on ground helping our candidate. So I could not imagine, but also almost all our caucus meetings that we have, or even NEC meeting or whatever, you'll not have a meeting where you have 100% of people in attendance. So it was a very well attended meeting, and the president addressed these members of parliament about different issues. They also raised some issues about the general workings of the party, what is going on and that kind of thing. And you could see the energy with which at the end of the meeting, everyone was energized to go back and do work and take the struggle forward.
One of the important issues that somebody would like to understand that maybe came up during...
Like I said, the president was addressing members about different matters. And I can say that issue also came up and he addressed it. But there's nothing the president said to the members of parliament which is different from what he has been saying publicly. You know, every day he has talked about what we are dealing with and the different issues. And of course, one of the other critical issues we discussed was for our members of parliament to take a firm stand against corruption, against misuse of public funds. You see what has been going on in parliament. Of course, the leader of the opposition, as you see, together with the majority of the MPs have been speaking about it. And he was charging all these people because for us as NUP, we are known to be pro-people. We are known to stand on the values of the people. So that was one of the critical issues, actually, to say that the people of Uganda want to see all members of NUP united in the fight against corruption and the misuse of public funds.